'Cause I feel haunted in my bedroom, the floorboards in the next room.
Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, my name is Ilya. You can subscribe if you're interested in seeing more content from me in the future, or follow me on Instagram. Today is going to be a pretty exciting day because I'm going with my friend to Hay Dairies, which is a goat farm in like the northwest of Singapore. So it's a pretty long travel, but I think it's going to be pretty fun. We are aiming to reach there at about 9 AM so that we can catch the goat milking and the goat feeding sessions that will be happening. I think it's between like 9 to 10:30. So yeah, we're hoping to catch that in action. And yeah, I guess I'll just see you guys at the farm.
I think I'm gonna go to sleep again and wake up alone on the floor.
We finally made it. We just got off the bus.
The sun today not so bad.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it feels okay.
I
Oh
don't know
my!
whether it's because it's this.
Why are you still wearing your jacket? Isn't it hot?
It's not hot. Maybe later when I sweat.
Yeah, but this area is just so full of greenery. I think this is like another orchid that we saw, like orchard, orchid, I don't know, whatever. Yeah, but we're currently walking towards the goat farm. We came a long way, we were on the MRT, then the bus for like 30 over stops, so finally. You can buy alfalfa hay for like $5 a peck to feed to the goats. And over at the counter they sell like chocolate and also original goat milk, which is pretty cool. And also this like, what's this? Goat milk ice cream? Yeah, goat milk popsicle. So the goats are currently getting milk. It's like you can see they're kind of just like squeezing the, what do you call that thing? Udders? Is it udders on goats also? Yeah, they're just like squeezing the udders into a tube. So the first batch of goats have milk, and now they're like just going home, I guess. And another batch is like coming out from the back. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. They know where to go. Aww. Barn too, and I guess this is where we can pet and feed the goats. Oh my gosh, they're so small! Oh, these are like the baby goats. The barn is pretty big, by the way. Hello there. Oh, this one's climbing. It's tall. Someone's feeding the goats now, and they're pretty aggressive when they eat. Why are these two not eating?
Because they're small.
I'm not sure why, but some of them have like tags on the ears. I have no idea what they mean. But we realized that the ones towards the back of the farm, they're like bigger, and I guess the older goats, and they're all like just kind of, you know, lying down. Yeah. Whereas the ones in front, they're like younger and more energetic. Trying goat milk for the first time. They're just right there and yeah.
It's weird, right? Like it's different.
It's interesting. I don't know. It tastes nutty to me. Almost like sort of like a pistachio taste.
Okay, okay, yeah. You smell it, you smell it.
Honestly, it doesn't smell like much.
Really? I think it smells weird also.
I don't
But the
know,
taste
it
is not
tastes
so,
it tastes
not as
smell
like
a bit like
strong.
pistachio.
Oh my god! But it's not as strong
Yeah.
as I expected.
Yeah, it's
right,
pretty good,
right,
but
right.
I don't think I
Cannot
can
finish the whole thing,
everything.
right? Yeah.
Not bad,
Okay.
not
Da, 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 da.
This is our lunch situation. So this company called Buy Beyond Borders. Yes, Buy Beyond Borders. They sent me these like instant cook. What is this?
Instant food, no?
Yeah, they sent me this kind of like instant food. So basically you add like rice and a bunch of ingredients into this pot, and then you add like just water and some heating pack into here, and it's supposed to like steam itself. Yeah, this one's a heating pad. Yeah, I think we can add it in, right?
Yep, yeah. Doesn't matter, right? Just add more.
Just throw it on top and then cover it.
Oh yes. Okay.
Is it so much enough? Is it hot? Do you feel
No,
it's
haven't
hot?
yet.
No?
I guess we gotta wait for the steam to come on.
Oh my gosh! I see the steam, bro.
Okay,
Wow, wow, it really works. Okay,
Wow.
okay, so
15
cool.
minutes, wait, let me time.
Yeah, so it will just like steam itself in here, and then the rice will be cooked in about 15 minutes. Super cool.
It's fast, oh my god, lucky I.
Okay, so we've covered both so-called pots, and they're cooking now. And if you touch the side, it's actually kind of hot. So yeah, some kind of magic is happening inside here.
Okay.
It is steaming so much now. Oh my god, look at it. So damn cool. The rice is ready. We're mixing it up. This one's like sort of like a mala meat kind of thing, whereas this is like sausage, veg. It looks kind of like fried rice. Oh my god, but either way, they smell really good. Yes.
Okay.
Hey guys, so this one is actually pretty good. It's quite tasty, but yeah, we both agree that the rice kind of, there's a bit of like a jellyish texture, which we're not very used to, but it's not bad, it's just a bit different, I guess. But the flavor is really good for something that is instant and so convenient. And honestly, these cost about $5. So I would still rather just go to the hawker center and get myself a plate of fried rice. But if I'm going for like camping trips, then this is a really good option. Oh my god, time to try a sausage. I like the sausage. It's a Chinese sausage.
Oh, the 腊肠.
So it started raining, so we ended up at Refish doing a bit of thrift shopping, and I found this button-up top, which I'm honestly not too sure about if I should get. The cutting is pretty good, but the top itself, like, it's just like minimal, so I don't know. What do you guys think? Okay, I got it in the end. Shu managed to convince me, and now we are headed to the editor's market, and we're also going to play dress to hopefully find some work clothes.
'Cause I feel haunted in my bedroom. The floorboards in the next room.
Step break at the same bread talk from this morning. She got the onion gouda croissant, and I got the chocolate croissant. Exciting!
Will keep me warm. 'Cause you ought to know nothing about you makes me nervous. I feel right at home. 'Cause you ought to know nothing about you makes me anxious. think I overstayed my welcome, but I think you want me.
And today we're gonna night with some Taiwanese noodles and bubble tea. We have ours. It's huge, oh my god, it's like the height of my face. I got the matcha and she got the oolong milk tea. Yeah, excited. I got the Taiwanese beef noodle soup and Shu got the Taiwanese salad noodle with salmon. Yeah, exciting. Oh my god, it looks so good. We're gonna just dig in and end the night. Hey guys, I'm currently back home. Ignore the bad lighting because I only turned on my kitchen light because I'm just about to go and shower and sleep soon. It's been a pretty long day. I've been out for I think more than 12 hours, so I am pretty tired, and I think after closing this off, I'm just gonna take a shower and head to bed. And then tomorrow morning, I'm gonna try and wake up early to go to school so that I can study for all my upcoming like exams. Okay, not school exams, but external exams. So yeah. But it was a great day, just like hanging out and chilling with my friend. Thank you so much for hanging around, and I hope you guys enjoyed, going to the farm and just shopping with me. If you haven't already, and if you enjoyed this video, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It will really help the growth of my channel a lot, and I'll really appreciate it. So yeah, see you guys next time. Bye!